Welcome to our Tiny Space Laundry Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two popular portable washing machines, the WonderWash and the Elevon Mini. Both are designed for compact living, but they have unique features that set them apart. We'll explore their prices, designs, and functionalities to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the WonderWash is priced at $69, making it the more affordable option for those on a budget. In contrast, the Elevon Mini is priced at $77, which is a bit higher, but may offer additional features that justify the cost. Let's see how these prices reflect their overall value. The WonderWash boasts a charming retro design that is compact and perfect for small spaces. Its manual operation appeals to those looking for an eco-friendly option. On the other hand, the Elevon Mini features a sleek modern design with a rotary timer controller and a spin dryer, making it a more versatile choice for quick laundry tasks. Both designs cater to different aesthetic preferences and practical needs. Functionality is key when choosing a washing machine. The WonderWash operates manually, which means it doesn't require electricity, making it ideal for off-grid living or camping. However, it lacks the convenience of a spin dryer. In contrast, the Elevon Mini includes a spin dryer feature, allowing for quicker drying times, which can be a significant advantage for busy users. Each machine has its strengths, depending on your laundry needs. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and the Elevon Mini offer unique advantages for those needing a portable washing solution. The WonderWash is a budget-friendly, manual option, while the Elevon Mini provides modern features like a spin dryer. Consider your specific needs and preferences when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.